Okay, good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to start with Amazon Web Services. So the first thing we are going to see is how to have EC2 instance. That is how to create an EC2 instance and to go into the Linux virtual Linux operating system to operate it, and how to install EC2 instance. So in the Google, we have to click on Amazon Web Services. If you click on Amazon Web Services, we are going to get this website. So we have to click this website. So after clicking this website, we are going to get a website like this. So we have to sign in into the website. Okay, we have to sign in into the website. If you don't have the account, we have to create the account. It is free of cost only. So after creating the account, they will specify an account ID, and they will provide the account details, organization, services provided, billing dashboard, and security credentials, and your settings and sign out. These are the things what you have in your AWS account, and you have to maintain this North Virginia, US North Virginia, as this default operation. And now we are going to start with creating EC2 instance. Okay, which is available. So if you go to the services of this, in the services we have to go to compute. In the compute we have to click on EC2 instance. After clicking EC2 instance, we can see that we are going to get a screen like this, which is consisting of EC2 dashboard, and we are having on the left side instantaneous types and launch templates, spot requests, and saving plans, and everything which are been available on the left side. You can see EC2 dashboard. So you can see very clearly you are being consisting of this resources and launch instance. So in this launch instance, you can see very clearly, click on this launch instance and click the button launch instance. When you click the button launch instance, we are going to get Amazon mission image. So we are having n number of launch instance, which is nothing but consisting of n number of OSs. In this we are going to select the Ubuntu 20.04 LTS operating system. So it should be of 64-bit 86 processor. It is not a RAM. Click on this Ubuntu server and click on the select button of this one. Make sure that is very much visible. In the second step, we have to choose the instance type. So it has been defaultly shown that you are been using the family of T2 with the EBS instance only. So it is a low to moderate, yes, and we are been consisting of Internet Protocol version 6 support. So choose free tier eligibility. So choose this one. So this is free for 12 months. You can see very clearly, and you get up to 750 hours of micro instance each month. So be careful with this. They are been showing this one as a free tier eligibility, but even you log out of the Amazon account after creating the instance will be working out its process, continuously running the instance every day. Every day the instance will be running out. So if you want to have anything to change, or if you want to have anything to modify, you have to log in and you can change that. That is no problem. If you are not working on this one, but the instance is available, it will run more than 750 hours. Okay, as it is shown for each month. If it is running more than 750 hours for 1 month, then they will charge some amount which is being shown in the bill dashboard, which is available in your account. Don't forget that. Okay, that is most important. So we will see each and everything. EBS also we will see in the next coming classes. So next we are going to the next step, that is configure the instance. So in the configure instance, it will show some default parameters which are been defined. There is number of instance and virtual private cloud that we have to follow defaultly. All the parameters, don't change any of the parameters what are available in this one right now. Just continue with the configuration what it has been shown, and go to the next one, that is add storage. When you go to add storage, you can see that it is been showing some value of size GB, right? If you want to, you can change this. Okay, don't forget, you can change this to general purpose G3. Okay, general purpose SSD G3 GP3, and you can say change to 10 GB, but keep it as 8 GB only, don't change it. Okay, keep that one like that only. Okay, if you want to add any new volume, you can add it, or if you don't want to add, don't add. Okay, delete on termination. If you want to delete, we are going to discuss about this in the next coming class. What is the terminating point? The termination point is nothing but we will be permanently removing the EC2. That is the thing. So we will discuss about this. Okay, if you want to change the GB value, you can change to 10 GB, like that you can increase that, but the maximum free eligibility for the customer is 30 GB. You can see very clearly, which is shown in the bottom, which is consisting of EBS. 30 GB is the eligibility, but most of the time you take 8 GB or 10 GB. How many instance you are creating, those many instances you have to check what is the GB value you are providing. That is 8 GB is the provided GB value here. If you are changing the, if you are taking another instance, you have to see what is the GB value of storage you are been accepting. So if it is increasing more than 30 GB, then they will ask you to pay some amount in order to operate that instance. Otherwise, if you want to be less than 30 GB, then you have to delete any of your instance, EC2 instance, and you have to go for the having the new instance. That is the thing what you have to do. You can't go more than 30 GB for free. Less than 30 GB only the free tier version is available for the customers. So if you no need of changing anything here, if you want to change, you can change the GB value. Otherwise, keep it the same what you have, and click on the add tags. After clicking on that tags, you don't have any tags here, click on add tag. When you click on add tag, you have to give the option here that what is the key you want to have. That is I want to have uh, Ubuntu. Okay, Ubuntu. What is the value you want to create? You can create anything. Okay, go for Ubuntu 20. Okay, go for Ubuntu 20 and config. Go for having this tag, and you have to have instance volumes and network interference. After that, configure the security groups. So when you go for the configuring of security groups, it will show the type, protocol, what you want to have, the port, and the customization of the source. So change this SSH to all traffics. Okay, when you are changing to all traffics, the port range will change to 0 to 65,535, and the customization is nothing but which makes you to use this instance from anywhere. So that's why we have to change the sources anywhere. If you keep as what we have with the custom is nothing but it says you that you want to use this instance of the source only for a particular region of login only. So if you keep anywhere, you can log in any point of the device, and you can operate this instance from anywhere. So after that, you have to click on review and launch. You can see all the specifications that are provided. Okay, very clearly that are given. If you want to edit anything, you can edit here. Instance details are also available. If you want to edit, you can edit everything what is available here. Otherwise, you can go for the clicking the button of launch. If you click on launch, it will ask you choose an existing keypad. Okay, If you have an existing key pair, you can choose that key pair. If you don't have that, then you have to create a new key pair. So the new key pair is nothing but I want to create a Ubuntu. Okay, so click on the Ubuntu. So it will create a private key file with a file extension of .pem file. So this key file is most important in order to access this instance. For example, you are not able to access this instance, they'll ask you to provide your private key file. So then this key file has to be provided by us. Okay, so when you are providing that, it will make you to use this instance. So make sure that you are having this file. Okay, don't forget to have this. Right. Okay, so you have to have this. So it is been present in the downloads. Make sure that copy that file where it is available and keep it in some location in order to use whenever required. After doing this, click on launch instance. So when you click on launch instance, it will create EC2 instance. Okay, so your EC2 instance is been created, you can see. So after EC2 instance is created, you click on the button called view instance, you can see here. So when you click on this, you can see very clearly you are having a view instance which is being shown here. You are having that we have not keep any name. If you want to keep any name, you can keep here, click edit, and you can give as EC2 and click on save. So EC2 is the name given, you can have that. You can see the specifications of your instance. We have created instance ID which is available, and you can see very clearly the things that are being given here as a specifications. So EC2 is the instance which is created. So now we have to launch the instance. Now click on launch instance. Okay, so when you have that, you can go for the first position once again. So if you click on this which is been available, so you can have the EC2 here which is available. So this is your instance ID which has been making you to show IPv4 address and what all the domain name, system values, VPC ID, everything, subnet ID, everything. You can see everything here, and also the security reasons, and you can see the networking what you are using, and you can see the storage. You have taken the 8 GB of storage which is attached, and the status that is available. Okay, you can see everything here. If you want to go to EC2, go for EC2. Okay, if you see that, it will be showing you the EC instance EC2. Okay, if you click this, it will show that. Okay, so that is the thing. So after this, we can go for select this and click on connect. If you click on connect, okay, you will have a window like this which is being shown, and click on the option called connect. So you are having a opening of this EC2 instance in a new connecting device. Okay, you are getting this in terms of a virtual Ubuntu operating system in a new window of your browser. So EC2 instance is creating, it is establishing the connection, and you can see very clearly that the EC2 instance has been created. Okay, so in this manner we can create EC2 instance in this procedure. Okay, so if you like this video, please like this video. If you are being interested, please subscribe to my channel. We will have the next topic from here onwards, how to create a directory and how to create the files and how to delete the files in this Linux operating system virtually. So in the next class we are going to discuss about this. If you like this video, please like, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please click on subscribe to see my videos which are been updating continuously. Thank you one and all. We'll meet once again.